Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a real special guest in the building. He's a selector, now an artist. He's also a producer, and he's Protoje's official tour DJ. You know who we have in the building? We have Yardcore in the building today. What's going on, my brother?
General, what go on? Me there, man. You good?
I'm great. Yourself?
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. There, you don't know. Canada, summertime, so it's a blessing to get that weather, you know?
Yeah. Welcome to the 6.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? Do you watch any basketball?
Yeah, a few times, you know, me taking some of the finals and things,
Yeah, so you saw when the Raptors won and stuff.
Not the final game, but I saw some of the final series,
All right. So welcome to the champion town right now. Welcome back.
Naturally,
you know what I mean?
Full place.
Yeah, Mike, I know you've been, how many times you been here?
Good amount, about 5, 6, or 7 times.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. So let's go right from the beginning. All right.
Yeah.
How did you get into the music business as a selector?
Well, my father did have a sound system, so one of the DJ them from the sound system, they teach me how to, mix.
Okay.
So that I like 2003.
Yeah.
Seeing Diwali rhythm to be exact was the rhythm when I learned to mix off.
Okay. Yeah.
You see me? So them time they really start out, and from I learned to mix, me never let it go. Me did always a DJ in a high school.
Yeah.
The class party them and all of them things. So we do the whole run-ins,
Yeah. So from 2003 you've actually been playing out. What was the name of the song, or what was your name at that time there?
DJ Rory was my name when we just started out. Then we formed a song named Borderline.
Okay.
Yeah. But you don't know, we'd have to change up that name due to certain circumstances and things. And then we did name Rory Yardcore after that.
Okay, so after Borderline.
Yeah, because we did have a t-shirt brand name Yardcore at the time. Seeing me and my brethren start a brand there, and them they thief the inventory out of my car one night. So we did have that pampas. So when the name changed forward now, so we say, all right, we are search for name, and we say, all right, we could just use the Yardcore name. And so the sound, the name Yardcore them time there.
Okay, so you changed from Borderline to Yardcore, and you were Rory Yardcore.
Right. Seeing, and then now, as the thing start grow and thing now, people would always, mistake me or ask me if I'm me or Rory from Stone Love, you see me? So that are the main reason why I kind of just say, all right, I just go Yardcore and me name Yardcore.
Okay.
Kind of eliminate the confusion.
Yeah. It makes sense, you know what I mean? Even though from what I understand, Rory is your name.
Yeah, Rory is my real name, and I was also named after Rory same way too.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. Because your people's been in sound business and admired sound business for a long time now. Yeah. What was your father's name of his sound?
They have a sound named Playmate, and then in the later years now, which was the sound when me learned for select off a name, Love People.
Love People. Yeah. Okay, this Playmate, was this the same Playmate that has the most Supercat dub plates?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, there's another Playmate.
Yeah, man, because sound system, I think you even have more than one Love People.
Yeah, I know there's one in the States. I think they're from
Atlanta,
Maryland, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and where was the song originally from?
Mandeville. Yes, and there's some me forward from same way.
Yeah. So then I guess when you changed your name to Yardcore, at that time were you still playing dancehall and stuff, or you were strictly playing the roots at that time there?
I played dancehall them time the same way too, as you know, that's how we really start out and thing. And in 2012 now was when we really kind of decide for hold more firm to the meditation where really inside of me, which is the Rastafari meditation, you see me? So,
From 2012?
Yeah.
Okay, and that change, why did you even decide to change and hold a different type of vibe?
Well, the timing, as me said, them time there, we are sight up far, right? From long before, same way.
Okay.
And the movement of, reggae was getting stronger, you understand? So that was one of my inspiration. Them Protoje are one of my mentor, them are my inspiration, same way for kind of keep it more conscious, same way, and just hold firm to the roots and things. So, the vibe, that's how we know, say, you just want inspiration, an example for really kind of change their meditation or,
Because it's in your heart already. You just need something to bring it out.
Natural.
Yeah. Okay, so it was 2012, I guess you and Protoje started to link.
We started linking in 2010.
Okay.
Yeah, by me did want a dub plate from him, and where me did have a friend what was friends with him, and that's how the link make and thing. So
and then everything started to move from there.
Cause after we link now, due to how me did a deal with my thing and thing, him kind of rate the vibes and things, so me did get the opportunity for do him first mixtape, which was to promote his debut album, 7 Year It. So the link just meshed natural,
Yeah. And what was the name of that mixtape there?
The 7 Year It sampler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and you did, was that one of your first big mixtapes that you had put out?
I would have said to another level,
Yeah.
Got everything have levels, so I would have said that was the first big one,
Yeah. Okay, because were you putting out mixtapes before that also?
Yeah, that was, as me say, one of the things that when they kind of like about my vibe and things. I mean, I usually to my mixtape them and burn them and just hand them out, for promotion and whatever. So, and that kind of really inspired him to say, oh, make him do the thing,
Okay, and that was more dancehall or roots vibes, or what kind of vibes was it at that time?
With his mixtape.
No, your mixtapes that you were putting out.
Yeah, more dancehall thing, man. Me specialize in a remixing as well.
Okay.
So, like crazy remixing. So that are really the first stage of production mode, I say, because your creative elements have come out. You have to know which vocal for put on which rhythm. So that is, as me say, some form of production. So it makes sense from this. So man.
Makes a lot of sense, because it seems like you're the leader when it comes to DJ of this Reggae Revival.
As a youth, me was the first youth to kind of decide, say, me I go stop play certain music as a selector, and as a youth too. So that really make a difference, if it was somebody of age who did make that decision there or make that step, they wouldn't really, probably be as impactful or whatever. So just the vibes and the blessing at the timing,
And how was it difficult to make the switch from a dancehall DJ / selector to now strictly roots?
I wouldn't say it was difficult, but everything is a learning process and a growth process. So from you make the decision for go sub-bomb, you just have to know everything take time, Yeah.
And that's the hardest part, is the patience and time.
Natural.
You know what I mean? And a lot of people, that's where a lot of people fumble, because they don't have patience.
True.
You know what I mean? What pushed you through? What gave you the patience to say, you know what, let me continue on this journey here?
Just levity, just lifestyle, just levity. From, say I do something from your heart, may I say it's gonna be easy for you. And, as me say, it was a special timing when it was really booming. You get what I say? So there was space for it. It was needed, and, we just put our mind and soul to it, and it manifests,
From there. And who were some of the artists around you at that time there that were really coming up?
Protoje them did have a vibes named Jamnesia.
Okay.
Yeah, where it was like a live band every other Saturday, and like Protoje them used to go there, Janine, seeing Nomads, Kumar from Raging Fire, in the early stages, like 2009, 2010, same way. And them and the artists were really kind of, make the first emerge as some young artists were kind of
Like a Reggae Revival type of.
Yeah.
Okay, and then where did Chronixx and the rest of them start to really come into the fold?
Well, after Protoje not do him thing now, and then we did link up with Kabaka, seeing Protoje did a work on Kabaka EP.
Yeah. Okay.
As we name Free From Chains.
Yeah.
The first ever EP what Kabaka put out as a reggae artist.
Yeah.
And then now Chronixx them didn't want to produce a tune with Protoje, so that's how they link with Protoje and Chronixx really come about, and it just meshed from there. So through the link with Protoje now and Chronixx now, when Chronixx do him first song now, me was the first DJ if I played on radio based on the link me have with Protoje, and him I try if build a link with Protoje as well, and me there on radio. So
you were on radio at this time?
Yeah, me did I play on Best FM that time. Yeah.
And what was the song that you had debuted that time there?
Behind Curtain.
You're the one that debuted that song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On Best FM, yeah, man.
Okay. Because the first time Chronixx actually came here, that was his only big song that he had that time. And I seen him work for about half an hour straight of crazy vibes. From beginning to end, and Behind Curtain was the only song that was there at that time.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Him have it, man.
And what year was that you debuted that?
Probably 2011.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably 2011.
Yeah.
I think. Or 10, maybe. One of them.
That's big right there, Behind Curtain. All right.
Man.
Because one thing I noticed about the Reggae Revival, it almost seems like everybody watched the movie Rockers and lives that lifestyle in a modern way.
Yeah, well, it's a life cycle, because, the 70s, you have the man that might do it, the 80s, you have the man that might do it, in the 90s, you have the man that might do it, 2000 is just a different highlight where each generation get,
Yeah.
Now in the technological age, so certain things can be highlighted more and people can see it more visually, and feel it more. You get what I say? So, I would have said the vibes been happening before same way, and now it's just a refreshment, as you say. You get what I say?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Because whenever I watch Rockers about 100 times, and looking at the movement, that's what it reminds me of. Just now, we have Instagram, we have iPhones and stuff like that, but it seems like the whole vibe, that hardcore vibe, is from that era there, just transported to 2018-19 right now.
Yeah, man, I just livication.
Yeah, man. You've seen them? You've seen Rockers?
Yeah, man. Have to. Yeah.
I'm almost positive everybody's seen it. Because just the whole movement.
I want to tell you, a whole heap of people good as probably not see it enough, to tell you the truth. Yeah, man, because, whole heap of hidden treasures in Jamaica want to really get exposed a lot, so, yeah.
That's definitely one of them.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So let's talk about something here. We're going to fast forward a bit to, how did the camp feel when you guys got the call or the email that Protoje got nominated for the Grammy Awards?
It was a joy, man. It was a joy, because, we know where I come from, may I say, and, if you see the hard work where the one put in, and, album come out couple times well, I never get a nomination, and where I say, all right, it's a matter of time now, you get me, I say, so it was a joy, man. Everybody was, elated and joyful. Yeah.
It was a good vibe.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man. I remember when I seen the nomination, I said, okay, Protoje, I see you guys. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. It's a good acknowledgement for the works, Yeah.
That's big deal. Definitely. And how did you even become his official DJ?
Well, as me said, due to the link, naturally, may I say, and me getting the dub plate, me doing the mixtape, it was just natural,
That was just the next evolution in the whole Protoje Yardcore link.
Yeah, it's just like how you meet somebody today and you just start link naturally and the thing just, may I say, mesh. them way there,
Yeah, no, definitely. Because I know right now you guys are even partners with I forgot your third partner in your series called Dubwise.
Well, yeah, that was one time, me not really involved in a Dubwise again,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't think he's either on that level. But so Jason I deal with it now is when
Got you. And do you guys have anything else like that coming up? You're planning anything like that? Or what's the plan right now?
Yeah, my thing now named Riddim Salute.
Got you.
You see me, so I just drop a mixtape for kind of get the people more aware with the name and thing. We do it in New York before, and I plan a big one for Jamaica.
Okay, and what is the type of vibe over at Riddim Salute? What are you creating there?
It's the same, vibe as Dubwise with a twist where, Jamaica have a unique rhythm culture. So kind of highlight that vibe there more. You get what I say? Yeah.
So it's more like, are you going to be playing the song and then the dub version and somebody DJs over it?
Yeah, there's no real set formula. It's just a rootsman dance vibe.
Yeah.
You get what I say? And we pay tribute to the rhythm. Them say I go hear big rhythms in a different form, whether artist or DJ upon it, or we go Sabam and play, 4 remakes of one rhythm. Or, it just, I say, just rootsman vibe. Yeah.
Saluting the actual rhythm.
Natural.
Yeah. Because you remind me of like Donny Dread, a Just Crew, a Alawi from Jah Love, those type of selectors. That's the type of vibe
True.
you give me, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, them one they are the greats, where you set it for.
You're right.
Come deal with it right now. Mikey Dread, same way. You see me, yeah.
And those were the type of selectors and people that you looked up to and the type of stuff you like to listen to?
Well, in the later part of my selecting years, yes, but first, you don't know, we like Mataran and Jazzy T and Mighty Crown, and Black China was a big inspiration too.
Yeah. If you say you're doing a lot of remixes, then clearly Black China is that type of...
So them are really big inspiration,
So do you have, like, if I search for any of your remixes, are any of them up on YouTube or anywhere?
Well, in my later years, I did do a remix with Protoje and Wiz Khalifa.
Okay.
Seeing I'm go some when me did a changeover now and I go straight roots, me take it off on my YouTube.
Yeah.
But somebody else put it up.
And that's under DJ Rory Yardcore?
No, Yardcore remix I think still. Seeing Protoje featuring Wiz Khalifa, and that are the only remix of the sort where you can probably find online now. But I have a whole heap of things in the archives.
Yeah. You ever plan on doing any like reggae remixes?
Well, the Riddim Salute one I just released is that vibe there.
Yeah.
You see me, we put on dub plates on different rhythms, and you get what I say. So that are the vibe what I kind of did bring back with the reggae vibe, the whole remix thing, so you can check that out and get a vibe,
And that's available online now?
Yeah, on SoundCloud.
On your SoundCloud.
Or my website.
Yeah. What I've even noticed too is you're deep in technology. You know what I mean? You say Rasta, but you don't shy away from the Instagrams, the websites, the SoundClouds and all of that. How important is that to you and your brand to actually have a presence online?
Well, we try to reach as much people as possible, so that is one of the ways where, we get people where we can really touch physically, interested in our music, interested in our go on with the thing and things. So, that is the main reason, for reach who we can reach.
And you actually control your own social media and stuff like that, or you have people that take care of it for you?
Well, my Instagram, my SoundCloud and them things, the SoundCloud, but not Twitter or Facebook, me not really.
Yeah, that's not really your thing. So if you're gonna connect, it's more on an Instagram type of vibe.
Right, easy, 1 3.
Yeah, no, because I definitely see you. I see you do a lot of stuff on Instagram. You do a lot of you go outside of the box a lot of the times. Like you don't let them just leave you in this box here. Nah, man, Rasta could do whatever Rasta feels as long as it's good vibes.
Natural.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, then I live it, man.
Yeah.
You know, man, I say everybody have to live them life, you know, as long as it clean.
Yeah.
You know, nobody can really to tell you what to do or how to live, you see me?
Yeah. It makes sense. You know what I mean? So then what got you, so you said the remixing, that was basically your intro into production.
Yeah, I would have said that, yes, because, you know, you can't just put any vocal on a rhythm.
You have to match.
You have to choose it the right way. And you can even beat match a vocal on a rhythm and it not feel as good as you get to me. I say, so it's the key, everything, the feel, everything.
Has to be right in tune. So have you actually put out any original productions yet?
Yeah, I put out one production with Kabaka Pyramid and Chronixx Marie.
Okay.
And that's called No Fenke Fenke.
I seen that.
Yeah. That's my production.
Okay, and when did that come out and how did that come together?
That came out last year, July. And that rhythm there now is my brethren did have that rhythm there. And originally it was real rock and I did like the sound and everything and I say, yo, we can, you know, work on this and make it proper, you see me? Go some bomb link Chronixx around at the studio and we hold a vibe and thing, no finke. And go some bomb now, link Kabaka and now.
Okay, the lyricist.
Yeah, and him do what him for do. And really with that, put it on my mixtape. My dad try clear it now.
Yeah.
And, you know, the publishing people flag it and whatever. If they want too much money for clear it and whatever, so I did have to go back into the studio now and replay the the bass and the guitar.
Okay.
Yes, so yeah, that's how that come out.
Okay, so originally, so what we're hearing now isn't originally what it sounded like in the first place.
No. So if you have that mixtape there, when I put it out, you're gonna have that version.
Yeah.
And you alone are gonna have that version.
Okay, that's big there. And something you brought up too is actually business. Because you spoke about publishing and clearing and all those stuff there. How important is the music business to you, the business of music?
Well, it's very important, you know, because if you don't have that part there lock, you're not gonna have your bank account locked. So, you know, it's good for know the business, you know, we encourage all artists, producer, writer, for, you know the business. Yeah.
Who taught you or how did you learn about the business?
Well, most of the business or most of the music business I learn about, I would say from Diggy still, Protoje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He taught you a lot about the royalties, the publishing and all of those stuff there.
Not directly those things, but you know, you're around it and you're here, so you know. Yeah.
Yeah. So you have Google and all these stuff there. So clearly you hear something, so you just Google it or whatever.
No, well, me not really like that vibe. Me kinda is more learn from somebody to still.
Yeah.
You know, may I say. And so as me say, yeah, me learn from him whole heap of things. If me have no question or me want to know about, you know, me would just ask him, or, you know, you have to big up Leslie same way from Delicious Vinyl.
Okay.
And but yeah, just being around him, see how him do his thing, you know, that's how me really kinda understand the business, you get me?
So I guess when you first started out, you were just wanting to play music, get it heard and stuff. You weren't really concerned with the business side of it per se.
Well, as a DJ, yes, I was concerned, you know, with the business side of it. So, you know, marketing is a part of business and all of those things. So me did, you know, understand that side from before, you get me? I said, but the more in-depth part of, you know, the business, like royalties and publishing and writers this and, you know, producer this and really him kind of get more understanding from, you know.
And that's where you understood it from. That makes sense, because you're talking about marketing and stuff, because I even noticed that you have merch. You know what I mean? How important is it for you to have merch and all those things there?
Well, you know, if you build a fan base, so you get what me I say, people want to represent you and things, so it's good promotion as well. If somebody wear your thing or whatever, somebody else can get for, you know about you, or, you know, hold a vibe the same way and things. So it's just representation and branding, you get me?
And where do you find most of your sales come from for your merch? What part of the world?
You know, what I say, US.
US?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. US are really who tune in, and UK tune in.
All right. Yeah. And I guess you've toured a lot of these places, especially as Protoje's DJ.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
We'll go all over the world. You know? Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you this. Where are some places you haven't been that you want to go?
Want to go Argentina.
Yeah.
Want to go Hawaii. Want to go some more part of Africa. Want to go Morocco.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, Ghana. See me? Nigeria. Couple more Caribbean places too.
Yeah.
We not go Bahamas or Barbados yet.
Okay.
That's about it still.
So where's been some of your most memorable places that you've been so far?
Brazil, Japan, Ethiopia, you know, Kenya, Trinidad too. You know.
Okay.
Yeah,
and what was the experience like over there?
Well, different experience, different places, but you know, the third time when I go Ethiopia now, I have to give thanks to see the reception, you know, to see the growth of the reception and everything. Japan was massive too. We done 9 different cities. Seeing that was a tour with Protoje, same way.
Yeah.
And you know, them love the culture, them love the music and thing. So yeah, them vibe there, man, hopeful.
What was the most shocking thing about touring so far? Like, you've gone somewhere and you say, okay, they actually like this style, or you know, they understand what you're saying. What's been shocking when you went to like somewhere different? What really shocked you?
Chill me out, you know. Let me see now. What I can say? Just to see how the people, you know, react and appreciate you. It's really a good vibe, and it's really shocking to see, you know, you go to somewhere where the people don't really even know you, or you know, you come from your hometown where them not really give that same energy there. So, you know, that was always shocking, you know.
To actually get a real strength, genuine strength out of somewhere that you've never touched on yet. Yeah,
it's always a blessing.
Yeah. That's big right there. So let's get into now you stepped into artistry.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You decided to actually put out a song.
Yeah.
Because guess what? You already know.
Natural.
All right. So let's talk about this. How did this song even come about?
All right. We have the rhythm now.
Yeah.
And the rhythm I playing at the studio.
Yeah.
And the man them just say, oh, ready now, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, so actually ready, them did ready for left and thing, and them said I'm ready now, and me just start sing the hook, you see me, right away, and it did feel good, so me never even hitch, we just continue work on it, and I have to say I wanted the first verse to the chorus, the quickest I ever do on the first verse and chorus, same way.
Okay.
You know, I never done it that night, I have to left it and revisit it and things. So I saw it come about, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I remember speaking to you off the air about it. You said, because I told you this beat here is really a hip hop beat.
Yeah, with you know, the reggae elements same way.
The horns.
But, and the bang them too, the piano and thing. So I really just the drum and the bass kind of have a hip hop vibe and thing. But Ryan Williams from Bermuda. Yeah, him really send that rhythm there to me.
Okay.
And then now after me done the vocals and thing, I'm satisfied. I go some and link my brethren in a Cali named Ian.
Yeah.
And then we add in the flutes and the piano and them thing they for kind of color it up.
Yeah, because that's what you told me. I said, this is hip-hop, but you said, listen, it's all about the way you color it.
True.
And that stood out to me right there.
Yeah.
Is the way how you said color it.
Yeah, man. So it's all about the fusion.
Yeah.
You get me? So you still can have a little bit of both. You try experiment. We try see if we can find a new sound.
Yeah.
You get to me? I say so.
Yeah.
I really them vibes there.
And you guys, what it seems like also, the Reggae Revival, you're not afraid to not sound traditional. You're in the tradition, but also use different sounds also, but it's still the message that you're delivering.
Yeah, well, we can't stay in a one lane, music always evolve, Jamaican music has always evolved, but it's just true, reggae become the popular sound of, what worked in past times. So that is why, people kind of really say, oh, it will stay stagnant. It's not stagnant as in it not moving, but on a creation level, as you say, you not do the traditional reggae, you understand? I mean, it's just Jamaican music, you get what I say, even them time there. But through that sound there, break, people want you stay with that sound there, you get what I say. But if we check even other genres same way, other genres evolve just the same, you get me? So once you go somewhere, man, what you have to do is just try replicate the feeling, you get what I say, what the music did I bring. So that's really my focus, try.
It's the feeling and the message.
Right.
Yeah. The beat could be anything, but it's just the feeling and the message you're bringing across.
No, the beat can't really be anything still. You understand? Because sound carry frequency same way, you understand? Just like the words. So it can't really be anything. That's not what I try to say. I try to say, when I stick to one thing where I try to replicate the feeling and what that music create, because it create a special feeling. You know what I say? So yeah.
Makes sense. All right. What else could we look out for you in the near future? You as an artist, you as your production label. What could we see from you coming up soon?
Just more music, Just more music, more mixtape, more production, more song.
Yeah.
I say? Yeah, man. More song forward. So,
when are we getting the video for Ready Now?
When this are released.
This is going to be released in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
All right. September.
Okay.
Yeah.
We could see the video.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Did you actually officially get to perform it on a big stage yet?
Not, I wouldn't say big stage. I perform it when me play.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna really walk out as an artist fully yet and say, yo, man, I go sing,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the response been like so far?
Good, man, good. Everybody I give me good vibes, Couple DJs I never expect would give me good feedback. I say, oh, the song sound good and things. So, from another DJ to another DJ, from, they must say that, it's a good look,
That's big. Question I got to ask you before I get you out of here. Who should we be looking out for as artists coming up right now? Because you got the pulse in the street right now. You could tell us. Because if you broke behind curtain, clearly you know something about something.
Well, I work with a young artist right now named Carbon.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can look out for him. He have a unique voice, him bad.
Yeah.
You get to me, I say, you can look out for. Well, you must know about Leela.
I keep hearing that name come up a lot. She had a song with Taurus. She had one with Protoje.
Yeah.
An Assassin. Yeah.
So she come up, man. She bad.
Yeah.
You see me? So them two artists that we are bet on right now.
Okay, that's where it's at right now. Definitely. If they want to get in contact with you, leave some contact info and stuff where they can check you out.
Alright, so Yardcore is YAAD CNCORE at Gmail. No, Yardcore Music at Gmail. scene, or yardtime@gmail, or Yardcore on Instagram, YAADCORE.
Okay, and that's where they'll find everything they need. They could contact you, email,
Google
whatever.
Yardcore, just Google Yardcore or something.
They'll find everything. All right, a little birdie told me you're the only person in this world to have Skankin' Sweet by Chronixx on dub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As far as I know. Unless probably voice one last night, you know?
How did that... Why is that? How come you're the only one with that on dub?
You'd have to ask him when you see him, you know. You have to ask him when you see him, man. But we have to say big up Chronixx scene and big up all the artists them where I do the works right now.
Yeah.
Take the works to another level scene. Yeah.
Yeah. And you're good to go. All right, definitely, Yardcore. It's been amazing. Big up yourself,
man.
same
Love,
way.
man.
See, maximum respect.
Always, bro.
All right. This is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Flash it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.